If you're watching this video, it shows that you are monetized, or you are working towards the monetization, or you are planning to monetize. Yay! I love it whenever I see people sharing the good news that they have monetized or they have reached their threshold of monetization. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the 5 things you need to do after monetization so that it will be very, very easy for you to earn your first $100 threshold of payment. Yes, that's the beauty of it. Getting monetized is not the main thing. The main thing there is that you are monetized and you are seeing the dollar. You are seeing the hard currency. Let me not be carried away because I love goodness. And that's why it's doing me like this. So the first thing you need to do when you get monetized is to turn on all the dollar sign in all your videos. Yes, I love doing it manually because when you get monetized, you are going to be congratulated. You've gotten your everything. Just go to your studio, your desktop studio, click on each video, and then you will see the dollar sign there. But it will be green. So all you need to do is to click on it and then turn it on, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on in all your videos. And that means that as long as you have turned it on, whenever people click on it to watch, they are watching ads, and this ads will be generating your revenue for you. And after the ads, when your views have gotten to 1,000 views, you will get the revenue, the estimated revenue attached to that video, depending on the niche you are. Is that you get $3, $2, there are some that are up to $18, depending on the niche you are. Yes, when you get your 1,000 views. Yes. So that's the first thing to do, to turn on the dollar sign. Yes. And the second one is share your old videos in your community posts. Yes, if you know all those videos that were trending where you were not monetized, you can share it on your with a little write-up in your community tab and let your viewers or your subscribers, even both the new old subscribers and new subscribers, to know that you have such video. Go through your videos, look at the ones that are doing well, then share the post. You know how to do that, right? Okay, I don't know. Yes, maybe I will probably show it. Go to any of your video, click on the share, and when you click on the share, it's going to drop and you see create post. Just click on it and it will take you straight to your community tab, and then you write something on top of it and then make it public. That's all. So that's how you can, turn your videos to community posts. And then the third one is to change the thumbnail. So if there's any of your video that you know that people actually got value the time you created it, but then you weren't monetized, all you need to do is to go to your Canva or any of the app you are using to create your thumbnail, to change the thumbnail, possibly to change the caption that is on that thumbnail, maybe to that is also related to that video, so that it can look fresh, and then YouTube can also recommend it. And when you change those thumbnail, remember to share some of them in your community post, and you can also share it to other of your social media platform if you're the type that use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, um TikTok, and all the rest. You can share the link there and let people come watch you, because now you are monetized. That means that any video people are watching without skipping the ads, you are earning some sense from it. And also, when your video gets to 1,000 views, you will also get the estimated revenue, that is, the RPM that is on that video. So the fourth one is, you're recreating the top videos you have. Just like I said earlier, those videos that are doing so well that you have. I know that there's one time I created a video when wrestling wasn't in anything and people were not really watching that video. So I now did updated version of Restream, and boom, that one got more, up to 4,005 views on it, because I recreated that same video. So look at your channel, look at the video that are doing so well. All you need to do is to twist the title, twist the thumbnail, and then recreate the same version of it. There may be updated version of that same video, and you will see it will also be bringing a lot of revenue for you, and a lot of, as people are watching the ads, it will be bringing revenue for you. And then the fifth one, the final one, is posting consistently. I will not stop talking about consistency. When it comes to monetization, you are monetized. If you used to post once a day, or you used to post once a week, or twice a month, no, you need to double your hustle. Do you know what is double your hustle? Because now YouTube is still going to reduce your views. If you ask 80% or more of people that got monetized, when they get monetized, if they used to get 50 views, they'll start getting 20 views. If they used to get 1,005 views, they start getting like 900, 800 views. But when you are consistent, YouTube will know that you are consistent, and they will start pushing your video. So like me now, when I got monetized, I started posting like daily. Do you know what is daily? But any day I did not post like the whole of the week. It could be like 5 days a week, or 4 days a week. But make sure that you are throwing out video, but not just throwing out video, value. Make sure that your videos are value loaded, so that people will be coming back to watch those videos. So be consistent, and make sure that you are delivering value, and your consistency can be the one you can maintain. Because if you keep posting today, like every other day, and then tomorrow, next week, you start posting once a week, and start scattering it, it will confuse YouTube, and YouTube will still keep reducing your views depending on the niche you are. Yeah, and then the level, or how long you have stayed on YouTube, and how well you are loved by your subscribers. That's another one, important one. Because there are some people here that, even if they're not even posting or doing much, but they have subscribers that love them so much. So if you have subscribers that love you, just go and do Thanksgiving. Do you know what is doing Thanksgiving? Because anything you post, they will still come and encourage you and support you. So whatever you are doing, make sure that you are loved by your subscribers, so that they will keep coming, and you keep having returning subscribers. Because if YouTube posts your video, when you post your video first, and YouTube start recommending or sending out notification, it's all your subscribers that they will get, first of all, send it to, before sending to, or probably most of your subscribers will get the notification first before the new ones, and every other thing. So if your subscribers are seeing notification and ignoring it, that is a red flag. Which I know that there are some people that will come to you in one stage or the other, and later they will stop coming. It's not their fault, it's not your fault. So what is there is that you keep creating and making new friends every other day, because YouTube is not going anywhere. And the subscribers you have today are not the ones that will come back next year, unless you are loved, like I keep repeating it. So with all these things I mentioned, and immediately you finish getting monetized, these are all the things you need to put in place, and then you'll be smiling to the bank every day of the month, every end of the month, to get your own dollar payment. Eh? Eh? Don't mind me. The sixth point is promoting your videos in other social media platforms. Yes, like I said in one of the points I mentioned earlier, you can share your videos in other platforms. But remember, when you want to share your video, if you post a video today, allow that video. Let YouTube be the one to recommend that video to all the people they need to recommend it to. Maybe after 24 hours or 48 hours, or maybe probably 3 or 4 days, you can then share it to other platform. So that, because if you are the first to share to other platform, YouTube will be like, oh, you already have your existence audience, let us allow this person to do their thing. So you can now share to other platform, and when those people stop coming, your videos will be there. and nobody will be watching, unless if it's searchable video, people can search and get your video. But if you did not make your video searchable, like putting in the SEO and every other thing, and you are the first to share your video, it will be difficult for YouTube to recommend that video to people, because they already think that you have your existing audience that is sharing it to. So that is why it's very important, when you share a video, allow that video to breathe for some days before you share it to other platform, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and every other one. So if you are watching this video and it's your first time, my name remains Shamaka Kumabo, and don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments. And most importantly, don't skip the ads. Don't skip the ads. And you can also join my membership to support my channel and also to support me. Yes, you can join my membership and also enjoy exclusive perk. See you guys in my next video.